One thing I think is fabulous are you want to tell her about the birds in the cages?
I think most of them are French or German.
What time period?
How old are they?
They're probably turn of the century.
They're automatons.
Yeah,
So they're they're
Let's see what
beautiful.
this
I
one
love
does.
the sounds, and then they're actual. Most of them are actual taxidermy birds, but they're
Wow.
automaton.
Oh, the little one moves too. I don't really like that one. I love that their beaks move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you get it?
Yeah. Oh, that's really cool.
Here, I'll wind it a good. And it's all clock workings, and then the whistles work off of bellows
Yeah.
that goes in and out. It's like pre-electric robots, automatons.
Yeah. That's a good way to put it. A pre-electric robot.
Yes.
But I think you found two of these at an antique store, and was this the one that somebody had decorated it, used it for Christmas, and they had stuffed it full of like Hobby Lobby
Plastic ivy or something.
ivy,
Oh,
and
wow.
it's amazing that these were still intact and not broken, and that they work.
Yeah,
So a lot of times they don't, because somebody has
Yeah,
just
the
twisted-
workings is.
Yeah, somebody's wound it up real tight.
And a lot of times the bellows will create, over the years they'll have holes in them.
Sure.
Yeah.
So
That's really cool.
So they're really delicate, and they're just. I think they're beautiful. I love them,
I
and
love
I love
them.
that they're.
I love that these are real birds because we
Yeah.
do have the ones that aren't real birds, and these are a little bit newer, but they're still kind of cool.
Usually you
Oh,
see these, and these are Italian ones, right?
No, these are usually German, I think.
German. But usually, Grandma will have this on her coffee table,
Sure,
either
yeah.
from like the 50s or 60s.
Yeah.
And these are, like the newer versions, but they're not.
So if you found one of these, you would find this one at my shop, and then you would find this one at his shop. Does that make sense?